Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing manga and cartoons, all sorts of stuff. Today I'd like to show you how to draw a manga character sitting in sort of a wistful position, a cat girl. They're kind of popular characters. And so let's start by aligning the body in a very symmetrical pose. We're going to have her head here. We're going to have her arm up here because she's going to be leaning up, sitting, and have her arms over her legs like so. So kind of straight arm here, this elbow, this is the hand here. And we'll put the legs right underneath. Sitting here. Leave a little space between the legs. We'll define all this stuff as we go along. Bring the calf out here. This. And bring them down this way. Legs will come here. Back. Coming in back here are the back legs, like so. And we're going to have her sleeves hang off like this. The hands come a little further down. And here's your shoulders up here. Okay. Now let's bring the eye line down a little further. We'll bring the ears up here. Placement of the face. And she's going to be a little sad, wondering what's going on. I don't know what she's thinking about, but she's figuring it out. Maybe she's breaking up with somebody. Maybe she's being broken up with. We'll give her some nice bangs here. Like I say, I will do this in markers. We'll see if I work very roughly at first. Now have the hair come off to the side. Give her more than just a little button for the nose. I'll give her just a little more of an indication. Okay, and here is that cat tail for the cat girl. There you dress. And now let's use the marker and see what we come up with. A big, thick line for the upper eyelid, the most expressive part of the face, upper eyelid, and a straight eyelid for the lower eyelid. And round that off for a nice oval inside. Two shines, similarly placed. I'm going to add a little bit of shadow here, eyeshadow. And some bangs trailing off in the direction of the hair. Bend at the wrist, bend at the first finger, first knuckle, and the last one. And this one resting just on top of the legs. So we have sleeves here, shoulders, and the sleeves. And the sleeves have some shadow inside. And I put a little black here to show the interior of the hair. Same here. See, this is the knee, then out comes the calf, in at the ankles. A little shadow under here. And there you go. There is a manga cat girl for you. Hope you enjoyed that. I have new videos every Monday. I hope you will subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.